Hey guys, it's Aidette. So today we are going to be doing some prank calls. We're completely bored right now. It's going to be prank calling pretty much any food chain place, any grocery store, pretty much anyone that we can get our hands on to call, we're going to prank call. So last night we went to talk. What's
going on in here?
None of your business. Get out of our house. Bum bum bum. Last night we were going through the Taco Bell drive-thru and there was like all these things on the menu.
Can I get Nacho Supreme, hold the Supreme, and hold the nachos?
Can I get a Nacho Supreme and hold the Supreme? Right now I'm gonna insert some clips of Noemi being freaking disgusting in the Taco Bell drive-thru.
Excuse me, I actually forgot one more thing. Can I get a large Mountain Dew Blast? Hold the blast.
So you want a Mountain Dew Blast freeze or just a Mountain Dew?
Freeze, but hold the blast. No.
I gotta see. You said freeze or just a Mountain Dew Blast?
A freeze, but hold the blast.
You're just kidding.
Actually, no, scratch that. It's okay, thank you. Scratch that. I have an egg. Thank you though.
I put that one on.
Of what? The one I said the 3?
Yeah, that one. Alright, so basically we're gonna call all these different places. Like we're gonna call McDonald's and be like, hey, can we get a McChicken? No, actually, can you just make it the Mc? Because last night we did 7-Eleven and the guys were so rude. One of them answered and they're like, what did they say? Oh my god!
You freaking diarrhea.
Why is everyone scaring us? Wait, like... Oh my god! If you guys are wondering, we're filming in front of this like race car because we had nowhere else to do the tripod. But anyway, since you guys are rudely interrupting us, do you want to be in the video? Make sure you're on my screen.
Hello?
Excuse me, sir, do you sell any hot dogs?
No.
Oh, because I could go for a big juicy wiener right about now.
Okay, come.
What? He just hung up. I'm so confused because he asked them, do you have any wieners? He was like, no. And he's like, okay, we'll come.
Answer me. I don't understand why I didn't answer first time. Excuse me. I thought 7-Eleven was A1 quality. Excuse me. 0 stars on Yelp.
What are you
Why is everybody staring at
This is the third person to scare us.
Oh my
This
god.
is a giant fail.
Like I have that on my phone too. I just came and scared up.
Hi, yes, excuse me. I've been calling this 7-Eleven for the past 2 hours now, and you guys haven't answered me. I have a very important question.
Okay.
Do you guys sell fat wieners?
A what?
Some wieners to go with my hot dog? Does it come with the buns? Oh, you don't? So at first you had wieners, but now you don't have them.
So
calling them again? No, we're calling like Hello 7-Eleven.
Welcome to 7-Eleven.
Bueno.
Bueno.
¿Y hablas español, señor?
No.
Ay, pues te quería decir si tenías...
Tenías mucho, poquito.
Ok, pues, pero si tienes Winnie's para mi hot dog.
Hot dog?
Sí, necesito 50 hot dogs.
So I can't understand Spanish.
Hello, it's me. I'm 1,000 miles away.
I'm gonna pee.
Hello, I was wondering if I can order 2 large pepperoni boneless pizzas.
2 large pepperonis?
Yeah, boneless pizzas, right? They're boneless, right?
Sorry?
They're boneless, like they don't have any bones in them. Wait, can you add bones to the pizza?
No, sorry.
Why? I thought the customer...
I thought the customer was always right.
Hello, I was wondering if I can get a pizza.
Okay, I was about to offer you pickup or delivery.
Oh, well, make that pickup.
There we go. So what's your phone number? What's your name?
John.
And what can I get
I
for
was
you?
wondering if I can get a cheese pizza. And I was gonna ask, do they come with bones? Because like I've heard many rumors they come with bones, and like I'm not a big fan of bones.
Well, if you'd like to come to our store and watch, maybe you could probably find out.
Like how long will the pizza take, like, to make it?
That depends. Do you want us to take some more time to put bone in there, or do you want us to take less time and have no bone?
What do you suggest?
That's completely up to you. I would suggest you probably have no bone and less time.
John, I told you to get pizza. Mom, I want the pizza.
Alright, my bad.
You guys are pretty funny. You know, you guys gotta come up with something better than a bone inside of a pizza. Finishing
Let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song. Our CAMPFIRESONG song.
She said, shut your bubblegum dum dum ass. I'm like, she said that?
Why is the door open?
Wait, he closed it though.
He closed the door.
It's called wind.
There is no wind. The windows are open.
Guys, the door is open and the last person that went out closed it.
I can see whoever's right there.
It's actually kind of scary. What is that? No. Oh my god, who is that?
Peekaboo.
Hit it with the stick.
No one was there?
Did you see that?
What?
The door like closed.
Stop it.
Anthony, no, leave it closed. Leave
Stop. Close
Leave
it.
it. Put the car over there.
He saw me
Okay, honestly, this video just got ruined. What if it summoned something?
Hey, I'll die faster, even better.
But
Top 10 haunted phone numbers.
Stop! Stop!
Alright guys, well that's the end of this prank call video because everything has been going wrong. First, the lighting is terrible. Everybody has been scaring us. Hopefully next time it's actually a little bit more quality, and we will talk to you guys next time.